Vámonos! Alright guys, today's video is going to be a mango habanero chicken. The deal was amazing at Food for Less. Check that out. It was 77 cents a pound at 5 pounds, and it came out to what, $3.53? That's a freaking steal. I'm not going to use all of it in this meal. I think I'm going to make fried chicken with half, the other half, so that'll be exciting. Got the mangoes, habaneros right there. Oranges for the marinade. I got some brown sugar, salt and pepper, red crushed peppers, and some cilantro and onion. We're going to be throwing that in. Oh, can't forget the garlic. So we'll get that going right now. And yeah, should be delicious. So the mangoes were also on sale at Food for Less. They were 69 cents each, so it's gonna be what, a little bit more than $1.80. Habaneros, they were like $5 a pound, but these were like ounces. I think they came out to like $1.50 maybe at max. Oranges, there was 6 of them. They came out to like $2 for all that. And then cilantro's usually relatively cheap, 50 cents a bundle, and that's half a bundle from the last time I used it. And then a good way to keep it fresh, leave it inside of a cup of water and it'll in the fridge, and it'll stay fresh for you for the next time you want to use it. About to throw the rest of the mango in there. Use that cup trick right now, and then I'll put a little bit of the brown sugar and pepper and salt, and then we'll see where we stand with the sauce. So we got the oranges down at the bottom. You can see there's some juice already going. The onions down there, the cilantro's in there. Got the mangoes in there. Only ended up using 2 of them and 3 habaneros. They smell amazingly spicy. And now, a couple cloves of garlic. I love garlic, so you can't go wrong with putting too much. Chop that up real quick, and then we'll give it a nice blend. See how it looks. Oh my gosh, that looks like a mangoñada, just with a lot more flavor going on in there. Cool. So now I just add some more. You know what, the habanero's gonna be fine, so no crushed red pepper today. I'll put a little salt in there, give it some more tang, and it's actually kind of sweet already, so I'm not even gonna put, no, you know what, maybe like a spoon of this. We'll put that in there right now. Alrighty, got the spices in there. Give it one little more, blend a little bit more. You can still see little pieces of habanero, so I'll try to get that as blended as well as possible, as much as possible anyway. We'll see how it goes. But here goes nothing. So I just tasted the mango sauce, and it is amazing. It's way better than the sweet and spicy ribs. This is already like 10 times better. I think it's because it's blended this time instead of chopped up, so definitely recommend blending up if you're gonna do this instead of chopping it up. And now we're gonna save a little for tomorrow after it's done cooking on the grill. There'll be a nice little brush on there and just keep it moist on the outside. The rest of this is gonna be going for our marinade, where we're gonna put the chicken inside. I'm gonna try a little trick I saw Gordon Ramsay do, where well, I guess it's better if I just show it. We'll see what happens. let's see. Rip open this chicken. Look at all those chickens. Alrighty. I saw him. All he did was chop off the back end. So you can do it. No, can't do it. Maybe I gotta hit it hard. There we go. There we go. Break it off. And then see the meat's right there. And then you scoot it all up. Seems kind of dangerous. I'll use the other side so I don't cut myself. That's how they get it to look so pretty. There you go. Check that out. Looks nice. And then we'll throw that in the bowl right here, and then we'll put the marinade on right now. So as you can see, I ended up just using all the chicken because I have a lot of sauce, and it's gonna be just, I can taste it already, it's gonna be great. So there's only one thing left to do, change it to a bigger bowl, and then I'm gonna put little slits in the chicken so that the flavor can go inside the chicken as well as around the chicken. I'll show you guys that right now. So this is what she looks like before she's gonna be sitting in the fridge till tomorrow. It's already late, so we'll have that and we'll grill that up tomorrow. Got the extra to put on after, but man, this is going to be good. So check back in a couple hours, guys. Great time to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll turn on those notifications because more content is coming right your way. And yeah, we'll show you the grill and then the finished product. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so this is how the meat's looking now as it's marinated. Oh yeah, beautiful. And I got my baby mini grill right here. I'm about to throw them on there. It's been warming for a little bit, so it should be good to go. And yeah, ASMR moment coming up here. Let's see how it goes. I feel it. Closer. The rest on there right now. Let's turn it down. I don't want it to burn. A little bit low and slow. Use it like an oven. Alrighty. So that's quite a bit of chicken for such a little tiny grill, but we'll see how it comes out. It should take a little longer than I normally planned, but we'll just cover it right now and let her do her thing. Alright. Alright guys, time to check out this. I've already done one flip in between. Oh, look at that, is coming out beautiful. And a couple more flips, maybe a couple more minutes. Right now we're sitting about like 20 minutes, but that's just because it's a tiny grill. And yeah, probably another 20 to 30 minutes and she should be good. So after the last flip, a lot of the mango sauce has come off. You can still see it on the top right there, but it's time to add that additional layer that we had from the saved non-contaminated sauce. I'm about to throw that on there right now. Coated. Go ahead and give it a little smear around everywhere. And continue to let it cook. Smells beautiful. Looks like it's going to taste beautiful. Can't wait. Stay tuned. Alright, it's about that time to take them off. Oh, beautiful. Put them in the Pyrex right there. And I'll show you the taste test in just a minute. Alrighty, and that's how they came out. Oh, look at that mango. still on there. Taste test. Oh, you hear that crunch? Nice. Very good. Not spicy. Definitely taste the mango. Helps with that extra layer on there. Check it out, guys.